Civil engineers are professionals who design, construct, and maintain various infrastructure projects such as dams, bridges, roads, and other structures that are essential for society. Civil engineering requires a solid foundation in mathematics, physics, and engineering principles. The complexity of projects, the need to consider safety regulations and environmental impact, and the coordination required with other professionals can add to the difficulty level. However, with proper education, training, and experience, individuals can acquire the necessary skills to become proficient civil engineers. This profession has a strong future demand in Australia's construction industry, and you can earn a very competitive average salary of up to 2,000 Australian dollars per week, but only if you pass the interview. So if you're a fresher, make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, as it will help my videos reach a wider audience and you can help someone get a better job. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the top 5 interview questions and answers for civil engineering graduates in STAR format, which is situation, task, action, result. I have also included key skills or key competencies relevant to each question. Tell me about a time when you faced a challenging engineering problem, how did you approach it, and what was the outcome? Competencies: problem solving, analytical thinking. Situation: during my internship, I was assigned to design a foundation for a high-rise building on a complex site with soft soil. The task was to ensure the stability and safety of the structure given the soil conditions. I conducted extensive soil tests, analyzed the data, and consulted with senior engineers. I then used advanced software to simulate different foundation designs and evaluate their performance. As a result, I recommended a pile foundation system, which proved to be effective in mitigating the soil settlement and ensuring the stability of the building. Question 2. Can you describe a time when you had to work as a part of a team on a project? How did you contribute and what was the outcome? Competencies: teamwork, collaboration. Situation: in my senior year, I participated in a group project to design a bridge for a local company. The task was to create an innovative and cost-effective design within a time. As a team member, I actively participated in brainstorming sessions, contributed ideas, and performed structural analysis for the design. Our collaborative efforts resulted in a unique bridge design that met all safety regulations while being aesthetically pleasing. Can you share an example of a time when you identified a potential safety hazard on a construction site? How did you address it? Competencies: attention to detail, safety consciousness. Situation: during an internship, I noticed a potential safety hazard involving inadequate fall protection measures on a construction site. The task was to ensure a safe working environment for the workers. I immediately reported my observation to the site supervisor, providing specific details and suggesting possible solutions. I also offered to conduct safety training for the workers on the importance of fall protection. By taking prompt action, the site supervisor implemented the necessary safety measures, reducing the risk of accidents and promoting a culture of safety on site. Can you share an example of a time when you implemented sustainable practices in a construction project? How did it contribute to environmental conservation? Competencies: sustainability, environmental awareness. Situation: during a construction project, I integrated sustainable practices to minimize the environmental impact. The task was to incorporate energy-efficient and eco-friendly measures in the project. I recommended the use of renewable energy resources such as solar panels and incorporated rainwater harvesting systems. I also emphasized the importance of recycling construction waste and implemented measures to reduce carbon emissions during construction. By implementing these sustainable practices, we significantly reduced the project's environmental footprint and contributed to the conservation of natural resources. Tell me about a time when you had to manage a project within a limited budget. How did you ensure cost efficiency without compromising quality? Competencies: budget management, resourcefulness. Situation: in my previous role, I was assigned to manage a construction project with a tight budget. The task was to deliver the project within the allocated funds while maintaining quality standards. I conducted a detailed cost analysis, identifying areas where cost savings could be achieved without compromising structural integrity. I explored alternative material options, optimized resource allocation, and negotiated favorable contracts with suppliers. By implementing cost-saving measures and closely monitoring expenses, I successfully completed the project within budget, meeting all quality requirements. Remember, these are just example questions and answers. It's important to adapt your responses based on your experiences and competencies. Additionally, practicing and preparing for interviews can help you feel more confident and articulate your thoughts effectively. Good luck with your interview. Let me know in the comments below what other interview questions and answers would you like me to share with you in the upcoming videos. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.